Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the lesson number 8, An Ideal Ruler. Before the foundation of Swaraj, Maharashtra was under the domination of the Adil Shahi, Siddhi, Portuguese, and Mughal powers. Shivaji Maharaj founded Swaraj and turned it into Swarajya, a kingdom that sought welfare of all. Shivaji Maharaj himself faced many grave dangers but emerged successful in all events. Organizational skill. Maharaj inspired the people around him to work for Swaraj. Due to his excellent organizational skills, he drew extremely loyal people around him. He and his associates faced the extreme with courage and emerged successful all the time. Caring for the riot. While establishing Swaraj, Maharaj had to struggle constantly against his enemies, but he took almost care to protect the riot. He warned his soldiers not to fail in their duty towards taking care of the riot. He also told Deshmukhs to shift people to safer places in case of emergencies. Policy regarding the army. Shivaji Maharaj maintained a strict discipline in his army. Soldiers were paid handsome salary in cash. The army was strictly ordered to deposit all the valuable collected during campaigns against enemies with the government. Maharaj took care of the families of soldiers that died in the battle and provided better treatment for the wounded. He treated the enemy soldiers well who had been captured or surrendered themselves. A policy of tolerance. Maharaj followed a policy of religious tolerance. He had many Muslim soldiers in his army at important posts. He had framed strict rules for his soldiers that during the campaign they should not harm a mosque or insult the Holy Quran. The inspiration for freedom. Shivaji Maharaj aimed at establishing and maintaining an independent and sovereign existence without the dominance of any other power. When Chatrasil came to see Maharaj, he was inspired by Maharaj to create an independent kingdom of Bundelkhand. Greatness of Maharaj's work. Shivaji Maharaj's action proved that he was a power of a new era. His was a very intelligent. He had mastered many arts, languages, and spirits. Moral values like freedom, respect, and bravery were deeply instilled in his mind. He used to punish those severely who would misbehave with women. He used to take care of all sections of the society like farmers, craftsmen, soldiers, traders, merchants, etc. He used to respect all religions. He organized certain programs in which the persons who had converted to another region due to any reason could reconvert to their religion. He built sea forts and a strong navy to prevent enemy invasion through sea. He was very loyal and bravely faced the threat to Swaraj. The same was followed by his associates. He was concerned from minor issue to the major ones. He worked for the cleanliness of the environment and strictly prohibited the cutting of trees and throwing of garbage anywhere. Maharaj was not just a warrior, but a sculptor who created a new, independent, ethic and cultured society. Maharaj Jyotirao Phule described his greatness in his Povadas. Lala Lajpat Rai has written a book about the greatness of Maharaj. Tamil poet Subramaniam Bharati has written a poem on him. Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, Sri Jagannath Sarkar has appreciated his effort for Swaraj in the form of poem and a book respectively. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said that Maharaj belonged to whole nation, not only to Maharashtra. Maharaj is and will be source of inspiration for future generation also. He was a great national hero. We know that still each and every action is there in everybody's mind. So what all the activity, qualities were there with the Maharaj still be remembered, and in future also Maharaj's example will be there for the new generation people. Thank you.